So dear friends, today we are going to see about the Hermann-Margman symbol. So suppose Cn symmetry is there, then you have to write the Hermann-Margman symbol as 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6. If C2 means 2, C3 means 3, C4 means 4, C6 means 6. Okay. In same way, C2V, C3V, C4V, C6V, you have to write it as C 2mm, 3m, 4mm, 6mm. Why you are writing as mm and m here? If if you are writing means the sigma v present in that particular group will be present in the two different classes. If the sigma v is present in the particular symmetry is present in same class, then you don't need for you to write two times, just you can write it as one time. For example, in 4mm, the sigma v in the C4v point group will be present in the two different classes. In same way here also in sigma v will be present in two different classes. And C and H. So you know for C2H it is having sigma H mirror plane, so you can simply write it as 1 by m. C2 means 2 by m, C3H 3 by m, C4H 4 by m, C6H 6 by m. And now Ci, if inversion symmetry is present along with S2, you can write it as 2 bar, S3 3 bar, Cs. So here you are having Cs symmetry, so identity and C1 will be there, then you have to write it as M. And next Dn means you can write it as N22, D3 32. So here you can notice that D2 means it will be having one principal axis C2 and 2 C2. This 2 C2 will be, if it is present in two different classes, you have to write it as 2, 2. In D3, you will be having one C3 and 3 C2. All this C2 will be present in the one same class, so you no need for you to write two times, only one time is enough. And D4, the 2 C2 will be in the different classes, so 4 2 2. In the same way D6 6 2 2. And D2D, it will be having S4, C2 and sigma D elements. All the other elements will be also there, but these are all the some elements which define this point group. So for S4 you are writing 4 bar, for C2 you are writing 2, for sigma D you are writing mirror. And D3D again 3 bar 2 by m, so otherwise very simply 3 bar m is enough. Okay. Then D2H means it will be having 2 by m, 2 by m, 2 by m, that is 1 C2H and 2 C2 will be there. So for representing 3 C2s, 2 by m, 2 by m, 2 by m is written. So already you know you are writing m in the different 2 by m, 2 by m, 2 by m is equal to D2H. So you are writing m 3 times. So next one is D3H 3 by m. So the sigma H will be, sigma H or sigma V will be in the same class. Here it will be in the three different classes. Here tetrahedral symmetry 4 bar 3m. So already you know 4 bar means the tetrahedral will be having S4, it will be having C3 and it will be also having sigma D to represent this. There may be some other elements also there. Identity will be also there, sigma V will be also there, but these are all some important conspicuous difference from other groups. So you are writing this, representing this element in the Hermann-Margman symbol. And octahedral 432 and octahedral with sigma H symmetry, it will be represented as 4 by m, 3 bar, 2 by m. 4 by m means it will represent C4H, it will be present inside this OH. Along with that S3 will be also there, so you are representing as 3 bar, and C2H will be also there, so you will be representing as 2, representing it as 2 by m. So octahedral will be having 3 C4, 4 C3, sigma H. So here C4H, 3 C4, C4H, C2H will be also there, so 2 by m. So chiefly represented elements are here represented in the Hermann-Margman symbol. In same way here also there will be some other elements will be also there. So but the chiefly represented elements like S4, C3 and sigma d is represented here. See, these are all the some basic clarification regarding the confluence and Hermann-Markov